Welcome to our SWOOP for SharePoint Beginners Introduction video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to navigate your way around SWOOP for SharePoint and a few more important features. To start, we'll be looking at the dashboard menu down the left-hand side. Each dashboard will look at the data through a different lens. The intranet dashboard will look at the intranet as a whole. The site dashboard will allow you to look at a site or a collection of sites. The content dashboard will allow you to delve deeper into a specific page or a collection of pages. And the audience dashboard allows you to look at a particular segment, such as a department, for example. Once you click into a dashboard, you will see that there's a selection of tabs across the top of the page. Each tab will take you to a selection of reports that have been grouped together by theme. The Essentials tab will show you key data points fixed to the past 30 days. The Health tab will show you reports based on quality, experience, and engagement. The Behavior tab will show you how people are behaving, what they are doing, and when. The Audience tab will show you who is accessing the content and where they are coming from. The Sites tab will show you how many sites there are and some key metrics. And the Content tab will show you metrics on the pages, files, and news, along with how your content is aging. For each tab, apart from the Essentials tab, which is fixed to 30 days, you can choose from a large selection of predefined date ranges that you'd like to see the data for. You can also pick a custom range where you can select your own date range from the calendar, just like booking a holiday. The historic data in SWOOP for SharePoint will build from the day you switch it on, and it can hold a maximum of 2 years of historic data. If at any point you are unsure or would like some more detail on any of the reports within SWOOP, you can click on the Help icon, which is a small question mark in the corner of the widget. This will bring up some more details about the report in the side panel, and it will suggest help desk articles for further reading. If you have a question that you're unable to find the answer to in our help desk articles, or if you've come across a pesky bug, the best way to report this is to log a support ticket. You can do this directly through SWOOP by going to the Help section in the bottom left-hand corner and selecting Request Support. This will open up a simple form for you to fill in. The benefits of submitting a ticket through SWOOP is that it will automatically capture your user and session details, meaning we have more information straight away to help solve your request. Next to the Help icon in the report widget, you'll see the 3 dots. You can click on the 3 dots for some more options, such as exporting the raw data to Excel or exporting an image file to a PowerPoint presentation. Alternatively, you can scroll to the top of the page on any dashboard and on any tab and export data from all of the reports that are displaying on the page via the top right-hand export button. I hope you've enjoyed this beginner's video on navigating SWOOP for SharePoint. Join me in our next video where we will cover how to find out if your intranet is being used.